Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks from Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers, you also pray for me. I hope you're waiting my latest video. So the wait is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet coffee cozy ideas. Free pattern. So please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful, stylish, handmade knitting varieties. Some are simple and some are beautiful, button-up style, different pattern. Most demanding collection, most likely collection. Beautiful ideas for coffee lover, tea lover. Beautiful designing. Beautiful ideas. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, paint color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors. Beautiful handmade knitting variety. Beautiful pattern. Free ideas. Like and share my video with your family, friends, sweet cousins, neighbors and your colleagues. Press the bell icon. When you press the bell icon, you will get the notification of all of my videos and latest ideas about crocheting work. Beautiful crochet coffee cozy pattern. Most demanding collection. You can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet coffee cozy. Like and share my video. Follow my channel. Okay viewers, now you have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye viewers. Allah Hafiz.